Alright, today I'm gonna make carrot beetroot juice. I'm going to use honey as my sweetener. I'm gonna add ginger, a bit of lemon juice or lime juice, whatever you have handy, and I'm going to make that in my Ninja blender. Okay, here are the carrots. So we're just gonna cut the tops off, and then we're going to organic carrots, and we're just going to cut them in sizes that they can be blended. Alright, so our carrot is ready. We're gonna get our beets ready. So we got the beets with the tops on. You can also put that in your blender as part of your juice, or you can remove them. I'm going to use one beet. Beet is pretty powerful. It stains everything. I'm going to peel the outer part of it, or you can just wash it and use it as is. The carrots. Or lemon, and you're gonna go down. Okay, so you can remove the seeds, or you can, another way you can do lemon is by peeling the thing and just throw it in the blender, and then we're gonna do it that way. Remove the seeds and ginger. We're gonna use So add a tablespoon of honey for sweetener. Don't use any sugar. You can't spell the health benefit of this. Okay guys, I'm gonna try my beetroot with carrot and ginger. It's healthy. I didn't put too much sugar in there because I want it to be like a healthy drink, not just a drink, but something that will be beneficial, because beet is supposed to help with energy, and carrots are supposed to be good for your eyes, so I just wanted to get the benefits of these great ingredients without adding any sugar to it. So I'm gonna enjoy this with my Sunday dinner. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.